They just a light me. I look at breakfast and I brain fast in the morning. Yeah. I'm hungry.
So you gonna look me dog?
I want to tell you, say, me I go see if I can get a Bills bag.
As morning lights up?
I want special.
So I'm your tea, you not drink tea at morning time?
You know tea, me I tell you. Jesus Christ, brother, shop lock, brother. You know, star.
Judge dog.
You know. Sure. Yeah, beg $100, you know.
Dog, me have $100 that morning, just light.
You know. You want something idea. Beg a $50, you know.
So dog, I can't even look at work.
Eh?
You don't feel like you can't go work?
Brother, just give me $50 like that. Yeah, beg a $50, no, man.
Every day you beg me $50. Today I lost your whole list.
You know. You know. I tell you, say, yo, a long time me retain a youth. Long time me retain a youth. How much out of this?
Take your wallet, man. Where you gonna buy feet?
Go light.
Yeah, where you gonna buy feet?
Change this now.
Change
When I
it.
want there with Nanya for my room face.
Oh, the 5 bills you want?
Yeah. No. $5,000 bill. Easy no man. You know thing go. I tell you some want a brain fast now man. A Bills bag. I want special. You understand? Come I tell you right now, me hungry, you know, white scar I try to take off my face, you know, youth. Right, I go up the road still, you know. Give me $5 now. I buy one brain fast. Give me $5 now. Whether I see money, it's me I tell you, say, yo, youth, if you stay in a school, you know, youth. Because I know you come out, come be a cruff, you know. You understand?
Like you?
This, yeah, this all man, you know, brother, you may go up the road, man. Yo, you know, no sugar around here, yeah.
Yo, go buy sugar on the dog?
True. You know,